Ay, mahal na harang. Kaap. My jowa is great, thanks, and very maganda. Wow, that's good. Magandang Pilipina or ano, other nationality. Magandang dilag. Puso niya iyong nabihag. Enjoy if your jowa, Dave. Your happiness, jowa. Abdo, do you have new upload? Akus, can I get WhatsApp number? Sorry, I don't use WhatsApp. Just use email. Akus World. No problem, mountains. Just take your driving. That's all. That's all. Don't need to you know, from Abdo Kayat. Hello, Mariam. Thank you so much. Sorry. Hey, Dave. Black Knight. Dave is in. Dave is in. In date. Dave is in date. Don't disturb him. He's enjoying. Hello, Habib, Betty, Kochi. Hello, Mariam, shout out. Akus, click on the dollar sign. Oh, where's the dollar sign? I cannot see. Do I have dollar sign now? Ah, yeah, I see now. Dave, it's okay. You don't need. I'm trying to be good. I'm sorry, yes, I'm climbing mountain signal and take care for climbing. Take care, take care. Hey, take care. Don't send message if you are climbing a mountain. You must focus to your track. You must focus. How are you, my friend? I'm fine. How about you? Thank you for helping, Dave. Me alright, thank you. Aris, are you still there? Anong masarap ng pansit? Masarap yung pansit na yan, lalo pag may manok, tapos may rice. Sarap yan, tapos may kape. Sarap yan. Editive shout out. Someday through the years, lubalu. I don't have microphone. Kaap, thank you. Just a smile when the rain is gone. Ulan ata. It's hardly believe that you. There's an angel coming back to me. Singing all alone. Uulan ata. Sabi ng weather ngayon, uulan daw. Weather forecast. Uulan daw today, so I'm waiting so that I don't need to water my plants. They are already growing. I need to go out.